Hi, everyone. My name is Maruxa Martinez-Campos, and I would like to talk to you today about the work we do in the Good Scientific Practice working group of the Barcelona Biomedical Research Park, or PRBB for short, which is one of the largest hubs of research in biomedicine in the south of Europe. It's located in Barcelona, in Spain, by the beach, very nice place. And to give you a bit of context, this is a big building where there are 6 different institutions that do research in biomedicine. They're all independent, but we all live under the same roof. So we have a lot of interaction, and we also share many of the same challenges. And that's why we decided to create this interinstitutional working group to share good practice and to share challenges and to share solutions regarding research integrity, and also to raise awareness. And some of the things that we have done since it was created in 2013 is, first of all, we created a code of good scientific practice that is common for all the centers, and everyone that comes to work at the PPB has to sign it and read it, obviously, and follow it. We then did a survey to understand what were the perceptions of the behaviors regarding research and integrity of researchers in their immediate environment. And the results that we found were similar to what has been published elsewhere, mainly that the authorship conflicts were the most common of the issues, then other interpersonal issues too, and data management were also topics that were of importance. And they were also, as you can see here, the topics that people were more interested in receiving training on. So based on those results, we then the following years, we organized a data management campaign, which was a week-long campaign where we did 3 workshops on data management on the different types of data that we work with, bioinformatics, wet lab research, and clinical and epidemiological research. And we also did put some flyers around with open questions to encourage informal discussions for people to think about topics related to data management, keeping, and things like that. Then the following year, we did a World Cafe on publication integrity. So again, we had about 40 people from 40 researchers at different career stages discussing about how and why does the current system for publication and also for evaluating science put integrity at risk, and how can we do better as researchers and as institutions. And then in the last years, we have been focusing also a lot, mostly in these years after the COVID pandemic and everything also, but before then also, on mental health and well-being as a factor that is involved in research integrity also, because we think that if you're stressed and with anxiety and burnout, this definitely affects your work. And we also want to focus also, this is all work in progress still, on the evaluation of science and how can we do it more based on integrity and quality and also more inclusive. So that's in a nutshell what we've been up to, and we believe that this working group is very useful to discuss these things and to start to try and encourage and stimulate these conversations from bottom up on these topics that are so important.